Welcome back again, guys. This is Stanley One, a colleague feature billionaire as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. Please, if today happens to be your first time coming across this our honorable channel, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on the notification button. In fact, I'm making this video to help those that cannot claim their coins, or those finding it difficult to claim their core from the faucets. You know, today is the first day that we that claimed in the previous month are to receive our first vesting percentage. And also, there are people that have linked their address but don't know how to claim the coins at all. All right, let me take this opportunity to let you know that if you are yet to link your address, kindly do so you can receive your 25% allocation on 20th of this month. That is 20th March. Thank you very much. Other than that, you have to wait until 15th May. And if you don't receive it on 15th May, my brother, your call will be gone for good. And you don't want to miss this huge project. Trust me. Core is big. Core is the nucleus of Web3, so you don't want to miss this. Trust me. All right, so let's dive into the process. Please remember, this video is for those that have already linked their wallet. This is how you claim your coins. So you open your metamask browser as usual. Let me open mine. Please, you can share the video to others. You can share the video because there are lots of people out there finding themselves wanting, like being unable to claim their coins and so many other stuff. So the video is for us all. Don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Yes, please, don't forget to do all these things. My fingerprint is fucking up. Okay, sorry, yeah, now it's in. So let's go straight to the point. Let's wait for it to download. Please make sure your metamask is updated. Yeah, now we are in Web3, so metamask is having a very lovely features, and you like it. Trust me, you like it. Okay, so here my metamask has opened. So let me show you this. When it opens like this, you click on your browser. Click on the browser. Click on your browser, and then this page will pop up. When it pops up, you see I was doing something on ice cream swap, so that page is loading. You see this section here, right? Just go and click on there. When you click on it, enter, look at it well, please. COREDAO.org. There are some people that say when they enter their address on metamask browser, like they don't see how to load it. Please look at this. Oh, sorry, I want to move this to the upper section so I can teach you something. Oh, guys, forgive me. I wanted to show you how you can load it. I wanted to show you something, but it's not working. It's not going through. Oh, please, okay, so look at my keyboard. I wanted to show you something, how to load the page. Look at the down right corner. Have you seen that enter key? That key with a blue color. Just click on it. I wanted to point the arrow onto it, but it seems my touch is misbehaving, so we move. Okay, so this is the page that will pop up, right? Make sure you enter just COREDAO.org. Don't precede it or don't prefix it with scan or anything. So here, when it opens, you click on this. Just click on Airdrop. Click on Airdrop. Right? When you click on Airdrop, this is the next page. Your country will be selected. Please, if you see, for mine, the country has been automatically selected based on my IP address. So I'm in Ghana and it selected Ghana for me. If yours, let's say the country that appears isn't your country of residence, or like it chooses a different country for you, you just click on this arrow, click on that arrow, and then you can select whatever country you like. Okay. All right. So after the country, you find out that the selected country is correct, just click on confirm. Here on this page, you see now OKX has infused COREDAO in their wallet. So you see two Dex wallet here. Click on metamask, just click on metamask, right? And then you connect your metamask. Just click on connect again. And please let me tell you this, make sure the address that you connected to the site is the same wallet, like the wallet that you use to connect to the mining app. That address, you are working on the same wallet, so the same address will be selected. Okay, so at this stage you see your details here, right? So you see my wallet address is there. Total remaining to vest, that's the amount I'll be receiving every month for the next 2 years, is 189.77. Mine available to claim on March 10th 2023 at 12:05 p.m. UTC is 8.162197. I hope you've seen that. So you come down here, but you see I'm recording this video at 4:39. So you just take note. So at the button here, you just click on claim. I hope you've seen that. So my time is not yet up, though today is 10th, but it's now 4:39, so I have to wait till 12:05 p.m. The time differs, remember that, because we all claimed ours at different time allocations. So at this point you just click on claim, but because my time isn't up, the claim isn't activated. So when you click on claim, you just confirm the transaction in your wallet, and boom, it will be claimed into your wallet. Please make sure you have at least 0 point something core in your wallet to cater for gas fee. I hope I've made myself clear. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment, like whatever bothers you, whatever you want video on it, like a tutorial video on it in this Web3 era. We can't be your plug. Just drop it in the comment section and we will get back to you. Thank you very much. And also I nearly forgot this. I'll leave the link to the Faucet, the Airdrop site, in the comment section, so you can just copy it, go paste it in your metamask browser, and boom, you will be good to go. Thank you very much. I still remain your one and only plug, your colleague, future billionaire Stanley One. Bye bye, see you another day.